Hi, good afternoon. This is the demo for the extra credit project that I made over the period of 2 days. It's a little messy code, I'm so sorry, but that being said, it works. Basically, the idea is that we, instead of storing hashes directly on the server, we actually we use a bigger file, and then we use parts of that and then XOR those parts to generate a unique code. This way we prevent dictionary attacks from happening. It's really difficult for people to get large files out of the servers, so you can have access to a small part, but you don't have access to the larger part of the file. So you can never compute unless you have that larger file, uh, which is used as a reference. Primary notations, let R be the set of that larger file that we are talking of. I is the uh, selector functions that will select the bits from R. So in this code, if you see, there's a main function called as a setup function, which basically sets things up and writes things down to the files. As you can see, there's no .dp files over here right now, but later on I will serialize the randomized arrays and write them down over here, which can then be used later on to fetch the values. So let me start the application. There are two modes to this application. Okay, it's building. No, I just actually forgot to screen share. I'm so sorry. So there are no .dp files. They'll be created. There's a main function called as there's a main function that controls things. There's a setup function that will serialize things and generate, you know, random strings of given length and then do things with it. There are other helper functions as well. Okay, so trimming down to this, so our code is ready to work. As you can see, okay, not this one, sorry. So there are two modes to this. The first mode is to test correctness. So in test correctness, okay, just a second. Okay, I'll cancel this hangout. Just a second. Not good, not good, too long. Hmm. किसका? हाँ है, अच्छा है, काफी अच्छा लगा मेरे को आइडिया. है. नहीं प्रतीक नहीं हुआ, वापस कर रहा हूँ खुद को मैं.